If you're tired of charging multiple devices with tangled cables cluttering your space, this 4-in-1 retractable GAN wall charger features two built-in retractable cables. There's a Lightning and USB-C that extend up to 90 centimeters and neatly retracts with a gentle tug. This compact, travel-friendly design charges 4 devices simultaneously with the 40-watt fast charging power, while foldable plug and lightweight 192 grams construction make it perfect for travel. Advanced GAN technology delivers efficient charging with built-in safety protections, and charging indicator shows when devices are powered.